Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I'm art antique restorer and artist too. Today I'm working on the green dragon. As you can see, work in the progress ready. What I want to see how that look like as a final mosaic. I will add some grout and to fill this gap between the chips to give me, this is the grout, white one, to give me the final look. If anything should be corrected, I have, as you can see, sponge, wet, good, and I will do in this way, filling everything in between of the segments, how it's going to be on the end, and that final look will tell me is the colors are good and the composition of the tiles are good enough, or I have to make some corrections. Mosaic have certain rules, and the best thing is to check all the time, are you in that rules or not. For me, mostly is important now is the face of dragon, enough clear, especially the character of the dragon. As you see, that is a nearly human face, human eyes, is even the dragon as just swallowing the human, as a 14th century dragon, originally area of the France, but art itself is a permanent exhibition in the Hague. This means this is not imagination. A copy of artwork what my client wanted to have in his apartment. And thank you for this. Right. You have to go fast enough because the grout is drying very fast, and then more is drying, more trouble you have to clean it up. You know, that means it is a certain rhythm, the time you have actually to invest in all this. As always, a little bit of corrections you can make later on when you clean up actually the grout what is not needed in there, it's just too much, because always are opening some gaps in this. And look, this is now the crucial and very important cleanup, because the grout will actually build up some whitish film on what you're doing, and you have to take it out, and to take it in good way. Because your mosaic will be muggy For example, as you see, we have some gaps here. We will fill that up and take it off. You have to prepare for yourself, you know. I have that plastic plates serving very well, and a couple of sponges what are really doing a great job. You see that is now clear and ices are looking good. All right. This is going to prove me that actually whatever I did is going to be beautiful work as a final. Okay, good. This is another softer sponge. Good. I think this looks pretty good, and I will just go on with my tiling. This is the proof that I am on the good way. Okay, a little bit is a black one to open. You know, there are small pieces of the different colors. You have to open them in time. Right. I think this is going to be a good mosaic with all this grout, filling the gaps and just exposing the right colors. Thank you very much for following me. I'm Branko Stipanovic, art antique restorer and artist too. This is a green dragon.